And that was Zemo, you said, Jahar Muhammad Bank the drum mix. Right now we have Judy McKnight, still here, Kings of House NYC mix. Keep it locked, BPM Sessions, how's that feel?